What's up, guys? Welcome to another one. We're doing a master bedroom and we're doing a bunch of area rugs. We're actually going to do them in the house. I know a lot of guys are nervous about doing area rugs on hard floors, hardwood floors, laminates and stuff like that. But if you know what you're doing, it ain't a problem. You know, you need to go ahead and evaluate the rug and make sure it's a rug you can clean on floors like that. So I've cleaned for this customer probably 4 times already. All these rugs on these floors. You know, I'm gonna lift the rug up and see if there's any damage done, because I know that a lot of guys are really concerned about that, and they just say it's a no-no in general. Guys, not true. All right, evaluate the rug, make sure the rug is actually a good candidate for that, and then clean it. So I know how to evaluate it. If you don't know how to do that, then don't do it. But yeah, let me show you what's going on. All right, guys, so stick around to the end of the video and I'll give you some pointers on how to do area rugs on site like I do. You know what? We're gonna start right here. I don't want you going nowhere. So before you go into cleaning area rugs, period, know how to pre-qualify, know your fibers, know what you're working on, okay? Because there's some sensitive fibers out there on area rug cleaning that you just wanna walk away from. So if it's a synthetic rug, it's going to have that hard backing. If it's a natural fiber, you know, figure out what type of fiber it is, because say it's a cotton and you go about that wrong, all right, you can have issues. That's just an area rug cleaning, period. So I ended up doing a pet treatment on it. So I went ahead and pumped a gallon out of that, put it in here, and then boosted that. I didn't want to boost 3 gallons. I didn't need it. Make sure the rug has a hard backing. All right, so if it has a hard backing, 99.9% of the chance, if you do these other steps, you're going to be safe. Next thing you want to do is turn down your PSI on your truck mount to about 200. 200 to 300, you should be good. If you're on a portable, maybe go down to 100, all right? Because you don't have as much vacuum as we do. So, doing dry stroke, just like we do on carpet, wall-to-wall carpet, do dry strokes. That way you get that maximum amount of moisture out of there. And I got another tip for you that's gonna help even more ease your concerns. And realize this, after about 5 minutes of sitting there, that water is not going to go down any farther than it is. As a matter of fact, it's going to reverse right around and start going upward, because how does water evaporate? It goes upwards, right? Now, as you can tell, those carpets are not wet on the backside. It's not wet on the floor. We're good. Keep it simple, and if you got any concerns, any whatsoever, go ahead and just bring it out on the driveway and clean it, hang it up somewhere. All right. Now you can have some natural fiber like wool, is a very thick pile. As long as you keep that PSI down, you're gonna be good on that backside. All right. I hope that helps ease people's concerns. Short to the point. See you in the next one.